How to save money on your water bill. Are you tired of receiving high water bills every month? Do you want to save money on your water bill without sacrificing your daily routine? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how to save money on your water bill. Let's start with the basics. Turning off the faucet while brushing your teeth can save up to 8 gallons of water per day. That's 240 gallons per month. Another simple way to save money on your water bill is by fixing any leaky faucets. A leaky faucet can waste up to 3,000 gallons of water per year. That's a lot of money down the drain. Using a low-flow shower head can also help you save money on your water bill. A low-flow shower head can save up to 2.5 gallons of water per minute. That's 25 gallons of water for a 10-minute shower. If you're in the market for a new washing machine, consider purchasing a front-loading washing machine. Front-loading washing machines use less water than top-loading washing machines, which can save you money on your water bill. Lastly, let's talk about outdoor water usage. Watering your lawn can be a major contributor to your water bill. Consider watering your lawn early in the morning or late in the evening when the sun is not as strong. This will prevent the water from evaporating too quickly and ensure that your lawn is getting the water it needs. And there you have it. These are just a few simple ways to save money on your water bill. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can reduce your water usage and save money in the process. How to save money on your water bill. Welcome back. In the first segment, we talked about some simple ways to save money on your water bill. In this segment, we'll be focusing on outdoor water usage and how to reduce your water usage while still maintaining a healthy lawn and garden. Let's start with your sprinkler system. Make sure that your sprinkler system is set up correctly and is not watering any areas that don't need it, such as sidewalks or driveways. You can also invest in a smart sprinkler system that uses weather data to adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Another way to save money on your water bill is by using a rain barrel. A rain barrel collects rainwater from your roof and stores it for later use. You can use this water to water your lawn and garden, which can save you money on your water bill. When watering your lawn or garden, make sure to use a hose nozzle. A hose nozzle can help you control the flow of water and prevent overwatering. Overwatering can not only waste water but can also harm your plants. Consider using drought-resistant plants in your lawn and garden. These plants require less water and can still thrive in hot and dry conditions. Plus, they can add some variety and color to your lawn and garden. Lastly, consider using mulch in your garden. Mulch can help retain moisture in the soil, which can reduce the amount of water needed to keep your plants healthy. And there you have it. These are just a few ways to reduce your outdoor water usage and save money on your water bill. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can have a healthy lawn and garden while still saving money on your water bill.